ben Vijan. Güçlü Kızları sosyal medyada ilk gördüğümde zaten dikkatimi çekti. Çünkü İngilizce konuşma pratiği yapabileceğim ücretsiz bir platform sunuyorlardı. Ve ana dili İngilizce olan birileriyle bu pratiği yapmanın ne kadar önemli olduğu ve beni nasıl geliştirdiğini fark ettim. Bu yüzden birçok öğrenciye öneriyorum.
Hi, my name's Jenny Cummins and I'm really proud to support Strong Girls. I've been involved with the charity since perhaps summer of 2019. It's been a brilliant experience and I'd encourage everyone to get involved and volunteer their time. Personally, I devote 1 hour a week to having conversational English lessons with young Turkish women. It's fantastic. You get to see these young women improve in terms of confidence, and from my side it's also really valuable to interact with people from such a different culture. So for anyone who's thinking of doing this, I'd highly encourage it and devote perhaps just 1 hour a week to Strong Girls.
I started Guclu Kizlar in May 2019 to help girls in Turkey improve their English conversation skills. I believe that speaking English can really help girls escape from the limitations of their lives in certain regions, where they don't always have the means to improve their language skills. English skills will also allow them to gain economic independence and find jobs easier, which is very good in life. If you want to help us make a difference in these girls' lives, please join us. Sign up to the app that we just created and start helping today. Bu program sana İngilizce konuşma becerilerini geliştirmenin yanı sıra farklı ülkelerden, farklı geçmişlerden ve farklı deneyimlerden gelen insanlardan ilham alman için de harika bir fırsat oluyor. Bugün uygulamaya kaydol ve öğrenmeye başla.